I'm making noises to pretend I'm sleeping.
King Bowser!
My
sir!
eyes are open because I am, awake.
King Bowser! Sir! There's...
I'm ignoring the toad because I'm asleep.
I'm not an enemy. King Bowser! Sir!
What is it?
There's gonna be an invasion from the birds.
The Bird Kingdom? What do they want?
They probably want your Pringles cans.
No, they don't need Pringles. What would they want? Move the freaking turtle.
I don't know.
Do they want bonk shroom and knock shroom? Probably not. They're pretty common to get. Move, Mr. Alligator.
So, what do they want?
Alright, send a scout out into the battlefield and give me their demands.
Okay.
You. Bird Camp A113. Alrighty then. Bird Camp A113. We were sent here by the king to attack. Attack who? Attack Bowser's castle, which is only like a few miles away from here, actually.
Oh, I'm not here. Continue. Hey, I'm not here.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. I'm a bird. Do.
You're not a bird.
I'm not here.
Yes, you are.
I'm still not here.
I can
Can you
still
see
see
me?
you.
Can you see me?
Yes. Yes.
Can
Just
you
get
see me?
down here. What do you want?
Oh, King Bowser Koopa told me to spy on you guys to see what you're up to. You're planning something, of course.
Well, yeah, duh. We're planning on attacking the kingdom. That's why we sent you that threat.
Oh, that's what you guys are doing? Okay, cool. May I make some adjustments to your plan, though?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go tell him.
I'm surprised you didn't want to know why we were attacking them.
Oh.
Don't worry. I'll keep you my prey.
I'm here.
Oh, I totally wasn't dating a statue or anything.
Oh, that's fine. I do that 24/7. Anyway, so... The birds are planning on attacking us.
Yeah, we knew that already. I wanted you to know why they're attacking us.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for coming back up. Now, I wanted to tell you... Why are you back?
Why are you attacking us?
Because the king demands that you give us this half of the kingdom so we can take over pretty much all of Plush Castle.
Oh, okay. Also, do you have any fruit? I'm starving.
We have fruit contained in an orange bottle.
May I?
No, it's mine.
Oh, okay. So, hi, King Bowser. So, they're wanting to just... So, King Bowser, they're wanting... So, King Bowser, they're wanting to invade the kingdom to take the entire Plush Kingdom.
Take the entire Plush Castle?
Yeah.
But this place is humongous. How are they supposed to do that with... Oh, my castle is a floating castle.
Yeah.
Alright, send in the foot soldiers. We'll defend this place with honor. Now let's get back to our date.
We're foot soldiers.
Yeah. Come on. Let's
Okay.
go. Come on, Shaggy.
Alright, guys. So, we're gonna head out. We've got tons of enemies that we can use. And the Goomba, for some reason, and a bunch of mushrooms.
Hello, we were Bonkshroom and Knockshroom.
Nobody cares about their life.
Huh.
So, how about, let's see, Mushrooms, you drive these little cars, and split up if you need to, and just, I don't know, look around and
Ow.
see what you,
Ow.
can. And then and then once you learn things, come back to the base and tell us what you learned. And otherwise, all of us, will you stop being owing? As for the others, they're gonna stay here and plan the big surprise for when they come back to attack. I'm still hurt. Nobody cares. You don't shut up. Anyway, so as we were saying before this dude interrupted me, we're just gonna have a friendly thing. Mushrooms, you're gonna drive these mini cars. Split up if you need to. We're only taking the poison ones, because if they go into any trouble, then they can split and poison them to defend themselves. Get in there, you... Not even gonna do it. Anyway, so, the other guys, turtles, and, others, prawn plants will be our guards. We'll have the bill cannon.
You know, let's just place that on top of the castle. We need to protect.
There we are. Alright. Now, all of us will stay here, plan the blueprints for the big surprise when they come to attack. Alright.
Boss, what if this plan fails?
Well, screw themselves.
But Bowser always has a plan for when. If
Yeah,
they
but
fail.
I'm Bowser Jr., and there's nothing you could do to say about that.
Well, I had an idea.
Oh. Will you shut up?
Okay. Well, I had an idea. Well, since most of their soldiers are birds, I was thinking we use exploding chickens against them.
That'll never work. But you know what? Let's try it.
Well, emotional damage is still damage. Ow!
That was technically physical damage.
Who cares? Exploding chickens! What?
Okay. As for the tractor, I'm still hurt, Master Tree. If you don't shut your pie hole, I will stuff a mushroom down your throat.
What?
No, don't worry. You'll be fine. He'll barf it out anyways.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, but what am I supposed to do on this giant tractor with eyes?
Pretend like you're making a delivery at, you know what? Just,
There's a pig in the tractor. Okay.
Pretend you're making this delivery, and you know what? Just in case they find out your disguise,
What? Oh.
wear this hat. They'll think you're Mayro.
But isn't Mario on the Mario side?
No and yes.
What? Looks like they have some big threats. Alright, we'll call more soldiers. We're gonna attack them on full frontal force. That was my bird call.
It worked. It was annoying, but it worked.
Alright. More bird call! Alright, squad team A113. You guys will be led by Bomb. Movie Bomb. Whatever. Okay. Alright, let's go, everyone. You know what? Just because you want to go, I'll send you first. Ah! Oh, I guess I'm supposed to attack you now. That was a frozen mushroom, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Raw force blood! Attack! What's this? Hey, stop it. Hey, what? Why is there ink in my eyes? Ow. Haha, you deserve that. Ow! Hey, my castle!
Well, we took their base down. Good job, paratrooper.
Yeah. Oh my god. I can just rebuild it. I have so many birds. Darn.
We didn't think about that. I'll use my hammer.
Hey, you gotta get past us first.
No, I was gonna use my hammer to help you guys fix it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
thanks.
you can go past. Alright. But as for you. What?
It's fixed.
Sparkle, sparkle. Oh, hey, you fixed it. Thank you. Really, Hammer Bro?
What?
You fix their base.
Oh, it'll explode. I put an exploding chicken in one of their vents. What?
Whatever. Just help me defend the front lines.
Okay.
We gotta keep the distraction up for the.
You
You know what? You just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep the distraction going as the mushrooms. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hey! There's intruders trying to get to our lands! Split up! Ow, I fell.
I think I took care of him.
Ow. Ah! Oh no! Ah, no! I'm dead. Oh no, the pink mushroom died. Well, it'll work with two.
Go poison shroom. Oh, darn it. Go poison. Go poison shroom and doom and
My name is Doom Shroom.
doom shroom.
Ow! You gotta stop pushing into off. Hey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be back here. Yes, I am. Yeah. Oh no, they made it past! Minions! Yes, sir! Keep this line protected with your lives. Keep this line protected with your lives. If any bird get past this specific line, I'm going to kill everything.
Okay. Hey, you. I'm gonna stop. Just gonna.
No, I can't use my saw beak without the... Wait, can't I just saw through this wood? Oh my god, I threw myself! I'm a bum.
You're a bummer.
Oh, so they want to use bombs, huh? Then we can use our bombs. Get the chicken bombs ready. Where are the chicken bombs?
The one is in the vent in their base.
Oh god dang it. Where's the other one? It's on the Koopa Troopa movie. In fact, both of them are on the Koopa Troopa movie.
Wait, both of them? Then I didn't put one in the vent.
Wait, then what did you put in the vent? What's this gas coming out of the vents? Revived. Ah, thank you for the reviving dust. You put reviving dust in their vents.
No.
Poisoned. Hey, we can't fight each other. We don't have that many soldiers.
Right. We're just a bunch of lonely Mayro.
Uh-oh, they're passing through the mushroom barrier. It's almost like these things are stupid mushrooms and actually aren't damaging. Ah. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. I'm gonna take this as a hostage. You come anywhere close to this line and you'll be dead. You know what? I can just stare at you. They've taken Boo and Blooper hostage. We gotta save them, Hammer Bro. And because this is your fault, you're coming with me.
Huh?
Alright, it's a good thing we killed it's a good thing we destroyed them outside of the healing dust area, otherwise they would be revived. Hey, don't come any closer to this line. Boss will be mad.
Bunk.
The boss is going to... Hey. I said nothing passes the line. Now you gotta deal with Bobby. Hi, I'm Bobby. Hi, I am Bobby. I go Bobby. 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 Ow! Are you kidding me right now? Revived. Haha! I will have a constant stream of soldiers as long as they die in this orange area.
So, you're the boss now?
Well, technically, I'm the head. Well, technically, I was always in charge. That guy was just my commander and second in command.
Okay.
All right. Well, we'll be taking Blooper and Boo back. Wait, what? Oh.
Would you...
I never explained why I'm in a bus, so I'm just gonna go. Can you stop?
When do I get to go on?
Probably later. Do 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 do. Well, this thing's malfunctioning. Wait, what? Ah! My healing dust! Ow, my ovaries! Oh, so that's what it's supposed to do. Knock over the castle. Hey, you destroyed our base! Now we're gonna destroy all of you. Ow, I'm dead. Uh-oh, poison mushroom.
Yeah?
We're gonna need to evacuate the cars.
Okay. Beep. Beep.
I mean like
Beep.
that.
Beep. 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 Beep.
Ow! Ow!
Well, toodaloo.
Hey, wait! Ow! Ah! Poison Joe, help me!
Oh,
Ow!
yeah. You need to come with me. Do.
Please help me! I'm dying!
Oh, well. Here's some revive dust.
Ah!
Here's some revive dust. Here's some revive dust.
Are you going to do something?
Yeah, I'm gonna go up to heaven now. Like,
Thank you! Oh! That poison thing can actually attack! Get him! Or her, or whatever. I don't gender things properly.
just gonna poison you.
Oh! Wow, you are good.
I didn't know I could do that.
Well, your days of doing that are numbered because I'm taking your friend hostage and I'm gonna kill it if you don't do as I say.
Okay.
Okay. Kill yourself.
That is physically impossible, but I'll try my best. Yeah.
Wait! No! Don't do that! He's just gonna kill me anyways.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
You should have told me that. You're not honest. Poison.
Back up. Blackbirds are immune to poison type attacks.
Well then, dead bird attack. That did nothing.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna kill this thing. Oh, you shouldn't do that. Poison shrimp.
Yeah?
Remember me as the hero, not as the destroyer.
Do you want some reviving dust?
Well, the explosion missed us both, so I think we're just gonna kill you now.
Poison.
Ow! Ah! Ow! Oh! Well, it's a good thing, Oh.
Do you really want to come over here?
Whoa! Ow! God! Oops, sorry, boss. Just trying to kill the poison mushroom. I'm too fast for you. I'm too fast for you. Yeah, you can't get me. You can't get me. Yeah, you can't get. Yeah, you can't get. What the heck is that thing?
Oh no.
Oh no!
I did it. I saved the world.
You didn't save the world. We're just gonna send more soldiers. And besides, I'm immune to poison.
Oof. I died!
I wonder why Junior needed specifically the three of us. Well, probably because out of every enemy here, we're the three smartest. That doesn't even sound like a Shy Guy. Okay, how about this? Wanted us to see us, Bowser Jr.?
Yes, I gathered you here today to take a look at the blueprints for our final battle. Not final battle,
The next battle, because we still have one of these things and one of these guys, and one of these guys.
Yes, that. That way, we can unleash our secret weapon. So far, we have the bird base is right here. We're somewhere over here.
Why didn't you put us on the map?
I did. What are you talking about?
Okay.
So, what other things do you think we need?
Well, firstly, we need something as more of a plan because they're probably going to come back with way more soldiers than we can handle. I mean, we barely handle all of those guys over there.
Alright then, so revive dust. Alright.
That's going to take 2 weeks to get here.
Oh well, better get busy. Actually, that won't ever work. Never mind. So, any ideas?
You came to us for ideas of how to survive this war?
Yeah, pretty much. So, any ideas?
Well, I do have one, but you're not going to like it.
Okay, shoot.
We need the Mario Brothers' help. He died at a Minecraft death. Why isn't he all red? Because we don't do editing.
Alright, that's enough fake death. Alright, you know what?
It's kind of our only choice, Junior. I mean, with how little we have compared to them,
You know what? It's worth a try.
all we have is a few soldiers and a bullet bill cannon.
Alright.
And a car. A car and a tractor.
Alright, let me DM them on Discord. Oh, right. This isn't hooked up to a monitor, it's hooked up to this thing. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna get this over with and get it done myself.
Did he just walk using the clown car? DK Donkey Kong. I'm Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong Country. Nobody cares about your life. Oh dear God.
I surrender for 2 hours?
What the heck does that mean, Luigi? Why are you fire?
Are you leaving, Bubber?
Oh.
I'm not gonna.
Hey.
Why was I scared of you? I can murder you. You think we're gonna fall for that?
It's not really a trap, but we need your help. We're getting attacked by birds!
Oh, good.
No. I mean, we're gonna lose the battle, and they're gonna take over the Mushroom Kingdom!
Oh, that was perfect. Are you serious?
Yes! Go! Here, take a look through this telescope.
That's a flashlight, but whatever. Hi. How do they see me? I'm like 50 feet away from them. Oh, whatever. Alright, fine. For 2 hours only.
Shake. Close enough. Alright, so, meet at my okay, never mind. You know what?
Oh, hold on. Alright, you wanted to meet us here, Bowser Jr.?
Yeah, what's this about? So, here I have my council. Here's the bird base. This is us. We need you guys to help us with just attacking the birds so that we can save the kingdom.
Okay, I have one question. Why haven't you dealt with all the birds yet? Well, we kind of did, but then they're starting to send more minions, and since that was their first fleet, if their second fleet is even stronger, we're doomed.
Long story short, we're almost dead. All of us.
Okay. If the birds are really planning on taking over the entire kingdom, then I gotta put a stop to them. Well, I think our freedom has come to an end, because the birds are back in greater numbers. Stupid freaking... Birds, I have come back with an even stronger, powerfuler, redder army. Which where is Redbird? Oh, whatever. And to make sure you don't camp in your little base, and to give this video some suspense, you're on a time limit. I packed this little nuke right here with a couple hundred explosives. That's what he did. Yeah, he stuffed them in my Refrain from this being in it to be R-rated, to not be a kids show. I'm going to censor this part. What the heck was that? Mario Bros, you know what to do. Send your foot soldiers out in Mario and Luigi. Oh, I wish I was stronger.
That was hurtful.
Oh, Daddy! I'm not even an angry bird.
Ow.
Yes, got one of them down.
Hey.
What? Pound!
I'm a Yoshi, and I'm a Yoshi.
Foot pound!
Ow. Da-dump.
Ow!
Miss Sandoval, this is your half-hour call.
Ow! Ow!
Ow.
Ow! Ow! Ow, 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 ah!
Oh, wait. Ow. You get back here. You know what?
What?
Look behind you. Good.
Uppercut!
Ground pound.
Ow! Ooh.
Ow.
Gobble! Gobble! Gobble, 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 gobble!
Wait, guys, I know how to handle this. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Oh, gobble, gobble!
Gobble,
Gobble, gobble.
gobble.
Wait, what? Ah!
Ow.
Ow. Ah. No!
Hey,
Yeah.
Yoshi, you get back here.
Banzai!
Ow.
Ground pound!
Ow.
There's so many. There's too many of them. Throw the explosive chickens. What? Ah! Yeah.
Your mom. Ow. Ow. Hey, hey. Ow.
Dan, catch and throw.
I'm still one. Oh no! Ah!
Ow.
This might take a while.
Don't worry, I can help. Oh. I think we dealt with all the foot soldiers.
Oh, okay.
Oh, come on. We didn't even get to do anything this time. Bonk, Shroom.
Oh, you want me to
What
bonk?
is
Okay,
it?
bonk.
What? No, I'm not Shroom. Ow!
I wasn't meant to do that, was I?
Yeah, I'm Bonk Shroom. I can handle it.
Bonk.
Thank you. Ugh. I hear cats fighting in the background. Didn't even get to do anything this time.
Yeah, you did. Go on to the store and get us some chips.
Okay. Ow.
You don't shut your pie hole. I will shove another mushroom down your throat.
Please don't.
Oh, well, too bad.
How come the bullet bill cannon wasn't used? But you're wrong. The nuke counter is still going down because I still have backup. Or should I say, pork up.
Oh, well, we're
Back
screwed.
bacon. Bacon up.
We're screwed.
That I don't know how to make a catchy counter phrase. You know what, frick it, just go! Excuse me really quick. Just get your freaking crap out of that. Here you go, Windard. Bowser Jr., they stole your clown car in a weird way. And also Mario's backup has reduced down to a monkey. Mario, Luigi, you're probably gonna have to get into this next fight.
I want my clown car back. It's got a cup holder.
What the heck? Alright, guys, it's time to attack. Alright, go bonk, Shroom. Go bonk that guy over there. Bonk! And that guy, too. Bonk! Hey, I'm unstoppable! I'm weak to knocking! What? Bonk! Ugh!
Oh, why did you... Can I get up from fake dying now?
No, you're dead.
Oh, wait, I'm actually dead?
Oh, we're actually screwed now! We're still dead, by the way. It was off camera, because reasons. Okay, don't worry, guys. I got this. Choke me harder, Daddy. Is Paratrooper Luke Skywalker or Princess Leia? Why? Because he called him Daddy. Whatever. Poison damage. Time to bowl me a strike. What? Oh.
I'm gonna take care of that one. Bang! Yeah, I'm made of iron, just so you know.
That was my last poison needle. I'm sorry, Spiny. I spent $100 on your credit card for the barn.
You what?
That isn't my voice. You what? Ah, you! I'm gonna choke you out. Choke me harder. The spheres at our monthly cruise now down to 1, 2, 3,
Bork.
4, 5, 6, 7. Hi. Don't worry, guys. I got it. 6, 5.
Go with them.
Oh dear, it's down to 2. Delicious.
Hey, I just realized when are the Mario Brothers gonna be able to do something?
Yeah, that's right. Do something, you idiots.
Okay!
All right.
Blip, blip,
Ow.
blip, fireball, blip.
Ow. Oh, the thing's overheating. No, the cup holders.
I got the best part.
Ooh, I can't wait for this. Scrumptious.
Good, Cappy. Come back here. Hey, wait, don't...
can deal with all of them. What the fuck was that? Alright, let's go. 1v5. How does that make you feel? It makes me feel nukified.
Oh, right, they still have that.
And yeet. Uh-oh. Wait. Uh-oh. Bowser Jr., do something!
Release the bullet bill.
What the heck? Where's that going?
Monkey beds.
Oh, man, I've been eating these chips for a while. Is that a nuke?
Okay then.
Yeah, he's dead, by the way. Not technically actually dead. He'll be back in the next episode, but he's dead now. What am I supposed to do now? I'm fighting a losing... I may be fighting a losing battle, but I can turn this fight around. Ooh, cup holders.
You know that's broken, right?
I'm a scientist.
Oh.
Is the music going to... hold on. Fake Chuck. Let's do this, Mario. Mario's dead. Wow, he didn't even do anything, like he was just about to one-tap me. Did the music pause? Your turn now.
Alright. Oh, I got a dead Italian plumber. No, you're gonna die now. I'm not dead, I'm just... Yeah, you're dead.
I'm gonna scream.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was that too hard? Do you need a bandage?
Try getting me now, man.
Okay. Ow! You know what?
What the? I missed? Ah, I can't see.
Ow! Ow! Oh.
Regening. Guys, we need a way to destroy that thing.
Oh, I will. I will. I will if it's the last thing I need. Oh. Darn it, my fire.
Well, that's gonna be harsh. Oh, hey, look. I have malfunction mushrooms.
Ooh.
If we can get them into that clown car, then they can malfunction them. Well, that seems pretty... that seems pretty convenient for the situation we have right now.
Yeah. Hey, before we take, just take control of the clown car again, do you mind if I take a poo? I really need to go.
Go nuts, man.
Alright, let's get this mushroom inside the car.
Alright, I'll go restock.
Ow! Dude, do you just want to have a talk over, like, mushrooms?
That's a frozen mushroom. What are you doing with frozen mushrooms?
Not a frozen mushroom, my bad. Here. Just have this.
A pain shroom? What are you gonna do with that?
Not that mushroom. You know what? Let's just have a talk over Goomba stew.
That's disgusting.
Ow!
Is that a malfunction mushroom in your hand? Ah. Oh, oh, oh.
And now it wasn't in my hand. Now it's on the floor.
Attack him.
You know what? I'm just gonna use the rest of this. Shove.
Jesus Christ.
How did that not work?
I can't regen that HP now. Fire!
Ugh.
Ow! Spirit Summoner.
Looking at you.
Bullet Barrage.
Oh.
Whee! Don't worry, Master Junior. I have another one. I got another malfunction mushroom. I'm gonna go look for more. He's inhaling like Kirby. Ow! Oh, wait, you're dead. I'm dying. The malfunction mushroom doesn't work on me, it works on machines. Attack him, you idiot! Ow! Oh, ow, 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 hey, ow, hey! Oh, great, this thing's almost destroyed. Spirit Summoner. Minion Rush. Pig Power.
Ooh, bacon!
What? Frozen.
Well, that was.
Bullet Barrage.
Ow.
This is the last malfunction mushroom. Make it count. Ah, ah. Spirit Summoner. Oh, sweet. Haha, that won't go into my sheen unless I'm inhaling it. Minion Rush.
Boom!
Ow, ow,
If you say I one more time, I'm gonna get you.
Fine! You want to know the truth?
There was a truth?
I was the one who wanted to take over my plush kingdom, dethrone King Chuck, take over the entire plush kingdom. I just had to take out Plush Castle first. Then I could get out. But the only way to get out of Plush Castle is through the front gates, which are somewhere around these parts.
Okay, the first part actually makes sense. Now I'm just kind of lost.
Just think this in your stupid little brain. Big gate leads to outside world. Outside world contains loads of treasure, ghouls, whatever else, and a whole bunch of stuff. Now, do you get it?
Yeah, I get that you're kind of like a bird Wario, but yeah.
I'm trying to say that there are secrets to the outside world that I want to know.
Well, then now that you
Because-
revealed their secrets, I want to know too!
Well, I don't know their secrets because I can't get out of the plush castle.
Oh, you will.
Isn't this place called Rovia Castle? Yes.
Oh, you will get out of the Rovia Castle. We're just gonna banish you for life.
Wait, what? Oh. Hope you have the fun. Cat, now you must hit the like button, and now you must subscribe, because cats. Isn't that right, cat? Also, we couldn't come up with a better ending, so you get cat.